Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Dollar Bead Box for March of 2025. I have a coupon code for them, BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave a link to the Dollar Bead Box below along with the link to my coupon code if you would like to use it. It's a monthly subscription and I absolutely love it. It's got a little bit of everything in it. They started color coordinating about a year ago, which is really, I think it's really cool because before you used to just get a little bit of different things and now they color code their boxes, which makes them even prettier. So I did take a peek inside and of course, it's so pretty. So it says March 2025. March comes in like a lion. As we were getting our items ready for March, we definitely were experiencing the roar of winter. Although we knew it wasn't spring outside, we still wanted to try and create a bit of it indoors. This month's box is filled with lilac, lavender, violet, and other blooming colors. So, let's see. I have, so this is the Dollar Bead bag, which is an add-on, and it's 8 strands for $8. Look how pretty these are. So we've got that. We've got, oh, this is really pretty. A little bit of everything. Oh, look at these. Let's see here. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I like the way these have their top drilled. Oh, very pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me get everything together and I will be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with the bead bag, the March 2025 Dollar Bead bag, check fire polish. We've got 4 of the 3mm strands and 4 of the 4mm strands. So we're starting out with the Royal Purple Metallic. I think this is so pretty. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those colors in there. And then next we have Deep Purple or Jet Half Deep Purple. I think this is the Jet Half Deep Purple because Jet is black. So we have this. So pretty. And next is the Purple Velvet, I can't talk today, Purple Velvet or Ultraviolet Luster. And I think this is the Ultraviolet Luster. It's got little green hues in it. Some crystal, some light purple. It's very pretty. And then last for the 3mm strands is the light lilac. I think that's so pretty. So these are the 4 3mm strands together. So pretty. And now for the 4mm strands. The first one is Royal Purple Metallic or Matte Purple Iris. I would say this is the Matte Purple Iris. So it's still got that sparkle even though it's matte. It's still got that little cut. It's because of the cut on it. It's so pretty. Next is True Purple or Deep Purple. So it could either, probably True Purple, I would say. Or it could be Deep Purple, the band. So that's pretty. And then we have Purple Iris or Vintage Purple Luster. I think this would probably be Purple Iris. So very pretty. And then last but not least is the white opal. Let me tell you, if you want to build your stash of fire polish beads, this is the way to do it. It's 8 strands for $8. Look at how pretty these are. And one of these strands right here can make make a bracelet. And you'll have stuff left over for earrings even. So we have those. Now I'm going to put these aside. And we're going to get on with the little bags. So this is 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelles in royal purple. And these are really pretty. And the holes up here on the top. Oh, these are so pretty. These actually have a little bit of weight to them too. Very pretty. You can see the sparkle in them. Okay. And next is, oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. I made a mistake here. I was opening up the bag and I was supposed to be doing the strands. So this is the 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelles in royal purple, 25 pieces. This is really pretty. I was like, wait a minute, what? That doesn't make sense. Okay, so we have these. And then we have the 6mm Lucerna bicones, opaque lavender or opaque light lavender, 25 pieces. And this is that. Very pretty. And next we have the 4mm check glass Druck in light amethyst, 50 pieces. These are so pretty. And next is 16mm check glass rose petals, crystal or crystal AB for 6 pieces. I think this is just the crystal. I don't see any AB finish on them. Well, yeah, I think this is just plain crystal. But these are really pretty. You get 6 of them. And next is the 4mm Chuck Fire Polish Chalk White or Matte Chalk White, 50 pieces. I think this is Matte Chalk White. So you could get either in the box. And next is the 6mm check glass melon crystal, 42 pieces. So that is so pretty. Let me make sure my camera is working. Like I said, I redid my bead room. I'm still organizing. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff to organize. I don't know when I'm going to be doing my before and after video. Might take me months. But I promise you I will get to it eventually. Okay, so first we have here the 14mm check glass button bead purple metallic, 2 pieces. And these are so pretty. Again, like I'm showing you. I made a mistake before. And next is 9x20mm check glass drops in purple, 2 pieces. And these are so pretty. And the hole is lengthwise on there. These are pretty if you just want to make a quick pair of like dangle earrings or drop earrings. You can put the head pin, the eye pin through there. It's perfect for that. And next is 6mm check glass Drucks in opaque lavender, 8 pieces. And these are really pretty. I love the striations in them. Some have a thicker line than others. They're very pretty. Okay, and next, these are some of my favorites right here. 10x11mm check glass turbines, purple Picasso, 2 pieces. I love, they look like little Saturns. The ring around it. They've always reminded me of the planet Saturn. Okay. And next is 8mm check glass Druck opaque lavender or light amethyst, 10 pieces. These are really pretty. They have kind of a milky consistency to them. Very pretty. Oh, these are pretty. And next, 17 millimeter check glass dragonfly mauve travertine wash, 2 pieces. Look how pretty these are. The dragonflies on both sides, and then you can see that little wash on the sides. So pretty. And they're table cut too. Oh, I love these. These are always cute for a pair of earrings. Or I use these for charms, like when I make my memory wire bracelets. I'll just dangle these on the ends. And next is 7 by 12 millimeter check glass drop opaque white, 8 pieces. Very pretty. These are great for dangle earrings too. Okay, and then next, I'm not going to open this up, but this is 11.0 2-cut check glass hexagon amethyst AB, 20 grams. So you can see it. They've got a square look to them. They're really pretty. So we've got these. And then next we have the 10 by 12 millimeter check glass pillow in crystal, 4 pieces. These are really pretty. I love the pillow shape to them. Okay, and next is 12 millimeter check glass lentil, opaque pink with black. Oh, these are really cool. 4 pieces. Each one's a little different on both sides. These are really cool. I love the striations in them. Okay. And next is 8 by 13 millimeter check glass tabular diamond crystal with purple stripes, 4 pieces. This, that had a little piece of plastic in it. Look how pretty these are. These are really cool. They look almost like zebra stripes. Very pretty. And last but not least, we have 10 millimeter silver pewter dimpled discs, 2 pieces. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. So, these are all of the beads for the March 2025 dollar bead box. Cannot wait to work with these. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave the link below, and I hope you guys have a great day. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I have lots of great videos and tutorials coming up. We're going to have a good year on my channel. My room is almost finished. It's still a little bit of a mess, but it's getting there. And I will be doing a tour at some point. You don't realize how much stuff you have till you have to take it all apart and put it all back in other drawers and everything. And I might need to order more drawers. It's kind of a mess in here still. So, yes, so I appreciate you all being here and following my channel, and you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.